back, guys, to what day is it. And today I'm going over everything I'm taking away to Europe, Norway plus Switzerland in the van, and clearing it all out and making sure I have everything ready for tomorrow when I leave. So yeah, that is on today's agenda, so I hope you guys enjoy. Let's do it. That is that. Got everything out of the van now. Everything is out. Practically all the stuff I have in there I'm going to take, and I know I'm going to take. So yeah, that is that done. Hoovered it all out. Now I just got to sort out what I'm taking with me and what I'm not taking with me. So that's the challenge. So let's do it. So yeah, this is some of the stuff I'm taking with me. Obviously I've got my cool box, 20 litres. I got my battery pack, and I've got another one upstairs, and then I've got my tent, which I've got to take. Got my heater, which I'm definitely taking. Got this, definitely taking. Won't be needing this. Got my heated blanket I'm taking. Won't be needing this sort of stuff. Got all this I need to sort out. One box as my cooking box, and one box as, well, I need to have one box as a maintenance for the vehicle. Or somewhere I need to place it, like oils, coolant and battery pack and stuff like that. So a lot of stuff to do, so sort this out and then get it all laid out in front of me. So yeah, I've got these two battery packs I'm taking, got a little Anchor one and then the Eco-Fly. So I'm just gonna practically, because this thing takes ages to charge up if you don't have the right stuff, which I unfortunately do not. So I'm gonna just plug this Eco-Flow in. This Eco-Flow, and any other way, that checks out. So that is 94 watts, 1.8 hours. That is the quickest way I found to charge it. And I'm charging this one at the same time, 100 watts. So that'll be all good. These two will both be charged up, which you want to start your journey off with full batteries. And now I just gotta charge everything up really. But yeah, and then this thing can be charged, or can be used the whole journey as well. But yeah, for the first 2 days, I know for a fact I will not get any sunlight. Practically, as look at this weather like for the next 2 days over in here. So by the time we get out of the UK and into France and then anywhere else, really, hopefully it's got better weather than that. But yeah, that is that done. Quick thing, guys, if you're thinking about buying these, I wouldn't. Not very good. Like they say, warms up in 5 minutes, lasts 8 to 10 hours. They don't do any of that. They are just rubbish. Body warmer. This brand, whatever that brand is, Bramble, whatever. It's really not that great. I'm gonna be taking my old ones, as they are a lot better. It's bad though when heat warmers don't work, because people rely on them to work in cold conditions, and they obviously, some people don't try them out, and then if they don't work, you're screwed. So it's quite bad that some of them don't generally work, like that brand there. But I've got these ones now, so I'll sort that out. Downside of going in winter as well, guys, like the amount of stuff you need more, like gas, just to fuel that. I mean, there's other ways of fueling your van, but I thought I could use that in a tent, and also I can, and also I didn't really want to plumb in like a diesel heater, but you know, like that should do us, I hope. Small van, so we shouldn't require too much of it, but every now and then turn it on for a little blast and then turn it off again. Should be fuel efficient, I hope. But we live and learn. If it doesn't, I'll let you guys know if it does, if it's worth getting. 100%. But yeah, so that's another thing. And also I'm just going to take this bag. I'm going to take this one because it's for all weathers and it's pretty big. So I'm going to use that instead of my hiking bag, my big one. So yeah, now I've got this tent aid, so I'll get in there. But yeah, I've just got to pack well, really. So that's what we're really doing now. That's all the cooking gear. That's the car gear so far. And I need to put everything in the bag, for my camping bag, and just put it all in there for surviving, like outdoors really. Just have it all in there for all the time or whatever. And then yeah, don't know what else I really need anyway. Alright guys, so we're getting there. I found out, I realised that I needed to get some electrical box so I can put all my electrics in there, all my electrical like batteries, my leads, all that, because I've got so many of them. Just put it all in one area. Yeah, so I need to go to the shop, get some boxes and some of my SD cards. And yeah, ridiculous though, because the SD cards on Amazon are so much cheaper. But I can't wait around for Amazon to deliver because they only deliver on Monday and I'm going Sunday, so that's annoying. But you know, and then August ones are like 25 quid. Amazon ones are 13. Ridiculous. To be honest, I cook some eggs and then go to the shop and then yeah, sort it out and get it all packed away. But takes like a good few hours to do this job, so I've allowed myself all this time, a whole day of it really. So yeah. Yeah guys, I'm just gonna head to the shop now, get what I need to get, all now for, well, I guess too busy, and also just so I got it all. I need to head to Ruston as well, pick up my SD card. As that needs doing. Yeah, let's do that now. Guys, after a bit longer than expected, I finally got my boxes I wanted to get and my SIM card, well, SD card, which I had to get as well because it's quicker. The ones I got are a bit slower, but yeah. So done that. Now I've just got to pack all this stuff away and put all the leads in the boxes and stuff. So I also got some oil as well for the van. So yeah, let's continue with this and finish it off because it's getting later now. It's 2 o'clock and I want to be done somewhat soon so I can just enjoy the evening and that. Alright guys, quick little update. Got that is fully done now, I think. That's the vehicle safety box. Pretty sure I got a pump as well. Not sure I put that. I'll be in the van. Got this. That's all kitchen stuff. I'm not sure what to do with this one. That's water, the electrics. So I've got to put this somewhere. All the safety equipment and tents and stuff. Well, I might just stick a tent somewhere random. Just get out of the way. And then I need to sort out my clothes. Then I'm practically A for away. So. Alright, I can start loading up the van and I'll probably find anything I need over tomorrow night. So tomorrow morning I'll remember anything I need to bring. I need to clean my boots as well. I don't want to bring them like this, looking like that. So I'm going to start putting stuff in, loading it in. So yeah guys, this is a few of the things I'm taking. So it's basically mostly just a jumper, and then I've got 2 pairs of these, and obviously some other socks. But these are Smart Wool ones. That's the brand, but they're the Pacific Wool, I forgot what it's called. But I'll put it on the screen. And then she's got a nice cotton thermals as well. And yeah, they're like the average thing I'll be wearing. And then I'll just have my typical Rab trousers, which are wind resistant, obviously, because you don't want that cold wind piercing through, and then I'll show you my jacket choices. So my jacket is a Burgos down jacket, which keep me nice and warm, and I can also pack it away, store it if I don't use it, or if I'm too hot or whatever, but I doubt that'll be the case. It's just more to keep you warm. And then I've got my waterproof wrap, which I can use to put over the top, and yeah, so got that as well, which is good to have. And then my sleeping bag, which is going to be interesting, is a Burgos transition, and it's only, well, its limit is -5, and its extreme is -22, so don't know how that's going to play out, as it's a lot colder than that where I'm going, but I will give it a go and see if I can survive that, because I don't really have that much money to be spending on a real nice sleeping bag or anything, so yeah, unfortunately, but I'm gonna have to make do and probably sleep with all my clothes on. Anyway, more thing I want to show you guys is my footwear choice, and that is these. I'm going to be using these a lot. These are pretty much going to be my main shoes. They are Columbia snowshoes pretty much, but I will be reviewing them a lot whilst I'm out there, because they are pretty good. They keep my feet nice and warm, and they've got all that lining and stuff in them, so I'm going to be using them a lot. And then I've got my trail runners, which are the Solomon's trail runners. So I'm going to be having these as well, just for running in and stuff like that, because they've got grip and they're quick dry. Well, they're quicker drying. Anyway, and yeah, that's my feet choice. 2-man tent. Just picked it up recently, so yeah, I'm gonna go checking that out and reviewing that as well. Quite a lot of stuff to review, and I bought this knife as well. Apparently they're pretty good, cold steel, anytime, anywhere, so pretty good little knife that. I'll be taking that on the nights out, I mean camp outs, but now I'm going to use this torch here as well. It's pretty bright, and yeah, it can light up all my stuff, and it's got a little solar panel on it as well, so yeah, some of the bits I wanted to just add in as well. Alright guys, so that is practically me done. Got everything in my bag I need, all clothes wise, well, sort of. I just got to get the stuff off the radiator in the morning, so I'm drying some stuff, and that's about it really, to be honest. I did lose my SD cards though, which is really annoying. Don't know where they're gone. I've just been so busy today. This is like, I did this as well. The normal separator, sort of cutlery in there, and I've got all my electrics in there. So this is the box I need to just put in. And also I found this, if you put all your water in here, so much better, I tell you. Instead of lugging around bottled waters like this, like 5 litres, it's quite a bit smaller. So that was a better idea to do that. I figured that one out whilst we were in Switzerland on the last trip, so that's just done it on experience. And then yeah, that's practically it all. Oh Leos, what are you doing? What are you doing? What's the matter with this dog? Lily? What are you doing? Lily? Anyway guys, hope you have enjoyed this little video. It's not very long, but I thought it might be a little bit more informative. I'm pretty sure it's informative. And hope you guys just give you a little perspective on what goes into this going away, and also so when you guys do it, you know what to kind of like do and bring. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next week.